Hi, this is Jim DiGiovanni with DiGiovanni Design. Thank you very much for purchasing Instant Vintage. With your purchase, you would have received a license key in your email receipt. Make note of that license as you'll need it to activate the extension the first time you run it. Once you download the Instant Vintage extension, extract the zip file and open the folder. There are two parts to this installation, both are very simple. The first step is to install the pattern file. Open the Patterns folder and double-click on the file instantVintagePatterns.pat. This will automatically launch Photoshop if it's not already open and install the pattern files into your pattern library. The second step can be accomplished in two ways. For most users, the auto install is the simplest way to go. The alternative installation method will be covered in the documentation. So from Photoshop, you want to navigate to File, Scripts, Browse. Then browse to your Install folder, go into the Instant Vintage Auto Install folder, and then click Instant Vintage Auto Installer.jsx. A successful installation window will pop up and tell you to restart Photoshop. Quit Photoshop and relaunch. Now, open any file. Photoshop requires a file open when you're loading plugins. And navigate to Window, Extensions, Instant Vintage. Now the plugin is ready to use. For how to use the plugin, refer to my Instant Vintage demo located in the Tutorials folder in the software package.